Hey guys, so I've got a 2006 Chevy Uplander, same vehicle as our last video, with evap solenoid. So what I found here is one of my front wheel bearings is going. So I've got an issue with my front wheel bearing. I believe it's from the passenger side. Now, I'm not sure if you can hear in the video, but there's a grinding noise. And what I found is that when I turn left, it actually gets worse. When I turn right, it gets better. I'm not sure if you can hear it now, but I'm doing it at 40 kilometers an hour. So I'm gonna go speed up down this road and see if we can make it sound even worse. Okay, if I go left, if I go right, it almost goes away. So that's indicating to me that my passenger side wheel bearing is bad. And so let's go pick up a part. Okay, so we picked up the new parts, and what I've done before jacking the van up, I'm just going to break or crack the main nut there. It's a 33 mil socket for the 2006 Chevy Uplander, 33 mil socket. And so before I jack it up, I'm just going to crack it, and then we'll take the wheel off and the wheel assembly off. Okay, so we've taken the tire off, and use a jack stand just to support underneath. And so what we're going to do is take the caliper and shoe off, and to do so we need to remove the top bolt, and down below there's a second bolt right down underneath here. And if you can see it, right there. And the size of socket we use for this, where is it? It's a 15 mil. So next we got to take the rotor off, and there's a little set screw here. It's a torque, and it's a T27. And a little tip I learned was to break the rust inside, just give it a tap. I've already taken this one apart, but we remove this set screw to further take the rotor off. So we've taken the rotor off now. And so for the old hub assembly, it was held on by 3 bolts, and they were made to go back behind and here. So one was located right here, the other was up inside, and the other was in the back here. A bit of a struggle to remove them. Someone had previously put on a red lock seal on here, so it made a real pain in the butt for us to use. So the size of that is a 13 mil or 1/2 inch bit socket is what you're going to need. Okay. So next we are going to remove our nut in here, remove him, and then we have to chisel or knock the hub off this plate. Okay, so I've removed the hub nut right here. He was on there, so he's gone. Next we're going to do is remove the old bearing plate, and we'll have to just tap it off. Maybe you have to get a chisel and pry it off. Okay, that's our next step. Okay, so Phil here's just cleaning the inside. We got the whole bearing assembly out with the sensor. It was all corroded, so we're just cleaning up, and we're going to then reassemble the new hub, the new bearing assembly. So we've put the new hub on and wheel bearing. So we found the specs online for the main nut. It was supposed to be 118 foot-pounds, and the 3 bolts in the back we found to be 96 foot-pounds is the torque specs. So we also found here that after we cleaned up the faces here before reassembling everything, we put a lot of anti-seize or never seize on the face. Same with the bolts.